Okay, so now we are going to determine the nodal prices, and we can assign n arbitrarily to 0, and n goes through to there are three basic arcs connected to n, and it's all from to, so we know the from in all three cases. So since the from is known, so we're talking about the from minus the cost, and we know the cost is minus 10 here. Minus 10, here it's minus 10, and from there get rid of that. From there we can determine the other the nodal prices at S bar and M bar. This time we know the 2, so we know the 2, so it's the 2 plus the cost, so it's minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8, and here it'll be the same, minus 8, and that's as far as we can go. Now in order to determine the nodal prices for the remaining nodes, we first have to determine the price at O, and so we know the 2, but the cost is 0, so it doesn't matter, so the cost will be 0 here as well. Now we know the 2 for Tuesday, T-bar, W-bar, and Thursday bar. We know the 2, but we don't know the from, and so it's the plus the cost, but there's no cost for any of these, so these are 0. Oops, sorry, yet not so, yeah, in fact, sorry, this will be 0 as well. And now we can determine W and Thursday. So in that case, we know the from. We know the from is 0. So we know since the from is known, it's the from minus the cost. So this will be minus 2 and minus 2. And I think that completes the, we now have all the nodal prices for all the nodes, and then we can determine the infeasibilities and what the entering arc will be.